Good morning, this is Dr. Doreste with the Cranial Release Technique. It's the day after Thanksgiving. It's Friday, November 24. Happy Thanksgiving again to everyone. And I just wanted to make a brief announcement. I normally don't do this. Matter of fact, I don't think I've ever done it. Since we launched the online training program a few years ago, there's been so many responses, questions, and also so many students that have learned the technique at home or in the office. And again, there's so much interest in this whole concept of, well, if the brain, the central nervous system, controls the body, and if these 22 bones, the skull or the cranium, protect the brain, and if these bones shift out of alignment, become too tight, and don't breathe or move properly, like I can explain here with the Hoberman sphere, if these bones in the head don't sort of breathe properly, then that just causes chaos throughout the body. And that's affecting the central nervous system, which is then affecting everything else in the body. And the job, the purpose of cranial release and the cranial release practitioner is to open and align these cranial bones, of which there's 22, and to help restore this normal, natural movement that's here in all of us. And this is just the way that we've been designed. So the online training program takes all the things that I would teach at the live event, which we did years ago. It's 11 modules of information, 11 modules of how do you apply this technique to a patient to get these bones to open, start to breathe normally again, and positively affect the functioning of the body. And because it's Black Friday sale, and then Monday is Cyber Monday, and all this stuff that's going, I just wanted to let you know that if anyone's interested, if you've always been thinking about learning the cranial release technique, and maybe you need a little push over the line to make the decision to purchase the program, this might be the weekend, because I'm cutting the program by $200. This is the first and probably the last time I'm ever going to do it. Just to be in line, we're getting emails from Amazon, from Best Buy, from all the different companies, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, this, that, thing. So from now until Monday midnight here on the East Coast of the United States, take $200 off the training, the entire program. You get everything you need. How do you apply this to an adult? How do you apply this to a child? How do you apply this to an infant? How do you apply this to someone in a seated position if they can't lay down? Either the patient can't lay down, they're in a wheelchair, whatever it is. How do you apply this to someone in a hospital bed? Or if you got a house call and the person's laying in bed and can't move, how would you apply the cranial release to that patient? Well, everything's included. All the notes, the manual, patient education material. I'm giving you the whole kit and caboodle. 200 off until Monday at midnight. Use the coupon code CRT200, no spaces, CRT200, CRT200, and that'll take 200 off the tuition. Should you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Feel free to email me. The website, cranialrelease.com. Again, that's one word, cranialrelease.com. You can search for a practitioner, and if you are a practitioner and you'd like to learn how do you learn this work in the comfort and privacy of your home or office, click on the CRT online training button, review that information. If it seems right for you, CRT200, CRT200, take 200 off. That's good from right now, Friday morning, until Monday night at midnight. Thanks so much, my friends. Happy Thanksgiving. Wish you all the best. Happy holidays to everyone out there. Hope to see you soon. Adios, my friends. Cranialrelease.com. Thanks so much. Goodbye.